Hey, how's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how I do product research for my manual dropshipping store, specifically how I find products to dropship from Overstock.com into my manual eBay dropshipping store. Hey, I'm Paul, and I'm committed to teaching you the exact strategies I use to create multiple six-figure businesses on eBay and Amazon. These are the same methods that changed my life, and I'm here to show you how they can change yours as well. So the goal here is to find items that are already selling well on eBay that we can purchase from Overstock. We'll list the items up for sale on eBay. Once they sell, we will then order the item from Overstock and ship it directly to our customers. That's the way dropshipping works. So the reason I'm using Overstock is because this is not a supplier I've talked a ton about before. Even though I've used them a long time ago, this is a good supplier for a number of reasons. One of the reasons is because they give a ton of coupons to you. You'll constantly get emails letting you know you get 12% off, 10% off. It's pretty common to get these coupons. So I want to take advantage of that potentially and sell some of their items. Now, starting a new supplier is always tricky, trying to figure out how to find people who are drop shipping those products and how to really find the right products that are already selling well on eBay. So I do have some tips for you. And the first one is with any supplier, a lot of times they have brands that only they sell. So if we search for Overstock exclusive brands, they might tell us that some of these brands only Overstock sells. So if we find people selling those brands on eBay, there's a great chance that the seller on eBay is a drop shipper. So let's see. Overstock unveiled 17 exclusive private label furniture brands. It looks like this is one of them right here, the Gray Barn, Carson Carrington House, Laurel Creek. Here we go. List of all of them. So I like to find one that has a pretty unique name. Now let's try Havenside Home. So I'll copy that, and all I'm going to do is search for it on eBay. And by the way, guys, all these videos I make, these are just unedited, off the cuff, not planned out. So these videos could be really long. We might find nothing. Hopefully we at least find something here. So you see that Overstock themselves, they sell on eBay, which is definitely one of the challenges to using them. But here it looks like this is not Overstock. I'm gonna open this up. Let's see if this is in fact an Overstock item. It hasn't sold yet, but that doesn't matter. All I'm trying to do is find a dropshipper who is dropshipping from Overstock. So I can search Google for the title. We'll start with that. And here's something from Overstock. Yeah. So I look at the stock photos here, and then look at the photos here. If they match up, then this is a drop shipped item. Now, right here, it will tell you if the item sold. This one hasn't sold yet. But let's see if this seller is selling other Overstock items that might have sold. So I'll click on his name on the right and click right here. And you can scroll through here. It will tell you if this item is sold. So this one sold because it says is only one left. Only one left. So a little tip here is you can use a tool, a free Chrome extension called eBayPopularity Sort. And you can get this just by searching for eBayPopularity Sort on Google and adding it. And what this does, it's going to put the most sold item at the top. You can turn it on and off. I just turned it on, and now I'll refresh the page. And it works for the most part. It's not perfect. You see in this example, this item didn't actually sell. It doesn't say it sold rather, but there's 28 watchers, so it put that one at the top. This one might have sold, so let's open it up and look. Yeah, this one sold 10 times. So this is an item that I would want to drop ship if I can find it. So I'm going to search Google for the title. Again, Overstock pops up, and we look at the images to see if they match the images here. And yeah, they definitely do. So this is an item that I would for sure drop ship myself right there. And like I said, when I end up selling this, or when I end up buying it from Overstock, I'm going to use some of those coupons that I get, because I still get a ton of them in the mail, even though I don't use Overstock anymore. So I would sign up for Overstock without a doubt. If you're going to use them, you'll get coupons for them all the time that you can use. You can find some other items here as well, potentially. Let's look at this one. This one sold 4 times. So let's search Google for that one. Here's an Overstock listing. I didn't even look at the images. So these are the images here. These are the images here. So these are the same. This is just available in 2 colors. And yeah, I would definitely drop ship this one as well. So we're doing pretty well already. I'm pretty happy about that, because sometimes this takes longer, but it seems like we're hitting some home runs right away. So pretty excited about that. And let's just open up one more, and then we'll try to find another drop shipper. So this one sold 3 times. Search Google for that. Here's Overstock. Boom, we found it again. So again, another one that I would sell. You might be wondering again where these margins come in. Are you actually going to make money here? Again, you want to use those coupons. They're available to you, so you might as well use them. Let's look at some of these other drop shippers, see if we can find someone else. So we're done with this guy, but I would keep going through all of these. And now there is software that you could run this person's account, see all their sales, but quite frankly, I'm trying to do this more manual way without software. Show you guys how to do this for free right here. So these are all being sold by Overstock. So yeah, not much other luck there. But let's try one of these other brands. We'll try Maison Rouge, I think it's called. I'll actually turn off eBay popularity sort, and then we'll try it with it on. So that's just pulling up perfume and stuff. That's not what I'm looking for. Let's try James and Oliver and James. And you know what sometimes works here, when you get the results you're not expecting, you can look here. You see Overstock, they sell mostly furniture. That's the types of items they sell, and lots of items that are kind of bigger. And the benefit to that is that furniture like this, that's very generic, it doesn't have an inherent value. The value of these items are what consumers put on them. You could show 2 people this let's see, like this sink and faucet set, and depending on the context, some people will give it more value than others. So it's pretty easy to mark these items up in price, and people will still buy them from you. With things like televisions or cameras, things that have brand names attached to them, they have a value that is pretty universal. Anyone can look up the brand of the computer or the electronic or the television and the model number and see how much it's being sold on other websites. And usually those can only be sold for a certain minimum price. So everyone's going to be selling it for the same price. Where things like this, the price fluctuates so widely based on the value that the customers put on it, which is a lot of times influenced by you as the seller and the price that you put on it. So that's why these items are so easy to sell on eBay. So where was I here? We were talking about how Maison Rouge wasn't pulling up any results so that were relevant. So what I'm going to put on the end of this is the word furniture and see if that works. So this right here might be a Overstock item. Let's open it up. And actually it is, because this is the guy we were just looking at, right? Oh, I think it was. Was this the guy we were just, yeah, this is the one we were just looking at. So that worked as well. We just didn't find a new drop shipper. You know, these two don't appear to be drop shipped because these do not look like stock images right here. Let's take a look at this one. That looks like a stock image. And let's see if we can find this on Overstock by searching for the title. Is this it, do you think? Yeah, there we go. So we just found another match. And again, this person is definitely using the coupons as well. So what I could do now is go through this person's items and see what's selling, because this item isn't selling, but they probably have other Overstock items that are selling. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. You try to find these exclusive brands, search around, try adding the word furniture to it, find a match with the photos. Like I said, guys, I do this for you guys because you guys like these product research videos. If you like this one as well, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, smash that like button down below, and let me know in the comment section if you want to learn more about how to do this product research, want more videos like this. And in the meantime, underneath this video in the description, I have a free class, a free intro class to eBay dropshipping. Go ahead and click that link and sign up. It's completely free, and that will introduce you to eBay dropshipping. If you're new to it, I have more product research, more in-depth product research inside that free mini course as well. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.